In this video, we will show you how to help reduce or eliminate unwanted smells and odors from your LG dishwasher. Before you begin, remove all dishware from the unit. Some odors may come from buildup in the dishwasher filters. Follow these steps to clean your filter. The mesh filter is located underneath the lower rack. To remove the filter, turn it counterclockwise and pull. Remove any deposits left over by your dirty dishes and wash the filter thoroughly by hand. Make sure to clean the inside of the filter to clear out any debris. Next, with the mesh filter removed, lift the hard mesh filter and clean thoroughly by hand. When you are finished, place the hard mesh filter back in its place, then insert the mesh filter. Give it a clockwise turn to lock it firmly in place. The indicator arrows should match up. If you notice unwanted odors in your dishwasher even after your filters have been cleaned, follow these steps. Pour a full cup of white vinegar into a cup and place it on the lower rack toward the center facing up. Run a normal wash cycle. If you have recently purchased your LG dishwasher and experiencing a smell of burning plastic or rubber, make sure the packaging material was removed completely when installed. It is normal for most new dishwasher units to carry this scent for the first 20 to 25 cycles. Here are some tips to remember. Always check for unseen food deposits or buildup. Don't leave dirty dishware in your dishwasher unit for excessive amounts of time. Remember to scrape off as much food grime before placing in your LG dishwasher. Thank you for watching our customer support video. We hope you enjoy your LG experience.